Hey Riker, what do we have now?
A 3D printer.
Yeah. And hey Rowan, what are we printing?
A cat. And I'm so excited because it's working on the face right now. Eventually, we're gonna make the butt, and I'm so excited. And I'm excited to paint it too. I have an excuse to paint all the time.
Yep. Cool. I think it's looking okay.
Wanna know what?
And you know what? I've got the automatic bed leveling thing. So this is a manual bed level, so we'll just have to figure out how to dial it in,
Wanna
huh?
know what's even cooler?
Your water bottle with mustaches.
The mustache. If it
Yeah.
was all mustache, I would have paid all my money on it.
Maybe I'll 3D print you a mustache. We can clip it to the middle of your nose or something.
Yes! Print me a mustache and a beard.
Okay.
That's
We got lots to print.